Hello, this is Richard C. Wilson. I'm coming to you from Sedona, Arizona, just here for a conference at the Enchantment Resort. And I want to create a short video on the very first step of creating your own virtual family office. We have set up over 200 family offices in the last 15 years. We're helping 9 different families create their virtual or single family offices right now. And the number one step you need to take is to create your family office dashboard. This is a one-page cheat sheet for managing and starting your family office. Everybody should have it. It costs absolutely nothing. We can give you this editable PDF for free. If you want to contact me directly, it is richard@investorclub.com, richard@investorclub.com. I will send you over this PDF. You complete the fields in it. You won't be able to complete all of the fields on this one-page kind of cheat sheet for managing your new family office. And those empty blank fields will give you hints at what you need to work on next. We can help you fill in those blanks. We don't charge anything for helping set up your family office. We find that if we build goodwill by helping you design not only your family office, but upgrade your wealth advisor, plug in the right service providers, design your direct investment strategy, define your values, goals, and objectives, that we're going to know you really well, and we're probably going to do business together, either through attending our live 1,000 plus person investor club summits, or investing into our short-term rental fund, or investing into profitable medical practices we invest into. So we look forward to helping you and working with you. To learn more, just reach out to me, Richard C. Wilson, at richard@investorclub.com, and we'll get you that one-page family office dashboard to create your family office or virtual family office today. Thank you.